Okay, what is the ruling of masah on the socks? It is permissible, it is the sunnah of Rasulullah and it is a concession given to us by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and the Prophet sallallahu. So alhamdulillah, this is something easy in the case if it is a person who has made the wudu, and especially in our country where we live here in UK, sometimes the degree goes to -1, -2, -3. So in that case, do they have to of leather? No, not necessary. It can be normal socks that can cover the feet. Alhamdulillah. There is no restrictions to that. Alhamdulillah. And how can we expect that all the Sahaba who were not that wealthy or rich people could afford to have the leather socks? And Prophet ﷺ did not, specify that you cannot do the masah on the normal socks. People would just make the socks or something to cover their feet with by the normal clothes that they used to have them. So it's that simple. Islam is easy. Alhamdulillah. If somebody wants to, go back to that it has to be leather and this and that, I have no objection to that. It's their own opinion and it's their own choice. Alhamdulillah. But according to Islam, which I know, that is, any socks can be worn on the feet and any socks can be, wiped over. Masah can be done over it, inshallah.